Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to edit PDFs using Foxit. First, open your desired PDF document within Foxit PDF Editor. Once loaded, navigate to the Edit tab located at the top of the interface. Here, you will find a comprehensive set of tools. To begin, select either the Edit Text tool for modifying written content or the Edit Object tool for adjusting images and other elements. This is your starting point for making any changes. Now let's dive into modifying content. With the Edit Text tool active, simply click on any text block to begin typing and altering the words. A convenient format panel will appear, allowing you to adjust the font, size, color, and alignment with just a few clicks. For images, select the Edit Object tool, then click on an image. You can then drag its corners to resize, use the rotation handle to spin it, or right-click to replace it entirely. Beyond editing existing content, Foxit allows you to add and delete elements effortlessly. To insert new text, select the Add Text tool and click where you want to type. Similarly, use the Add Image tool to place new pictures. To remove something, simply select the unwanted text block or object and press the Delete key or right-click and choose Delete. You can also enhance your PDF by adding shapes, lines, or comments for better communication. Once you've finished making your edits, it's crucial to save your work. Click the Save icon, typically found in the top left corner, to preserve all your changes. Foxit also offers several advanced features, such as redacting sensitive information, which permanently removes content for security. Furthermore, the Organize tab provides powerful tools to rearrange pages, insert new ones from other documents, or delete unwanted pages, giving you complete control over your PDF structure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.